Hello friends, I always talk about the safety and it is of utmost importance and paramount importance for everyone because every day we get up with news of fire and electrocution. And I am on a mission to make my India, my country free of electrical and fire accidents. And whenever I get a chance to talk the topic of safety with someone, I don't miss that chance. And fortunately today I am with Shrikant ji, who is representing Siemens, a company known for the zero harm culture, who know how to do the things. They always move with the MS method of statement. They do the root cause analysis, then they believe in HIRA, hazard identification, risk and assessment, and accordingly they take the preventive action and plan. And today I am with Shrikanji. Shrikanji, how do you ensure safety at your different sites that is being taken by Siemens presently?
Yeah, sir, thank you for giving us the chance for discussion about this safety norms. Actually, at every site in Siemens, we are always following zero harm culture. So, whenever we have to do any work, we have to perform any work, then we should have a material statement. So, firstly, we are taking this material statement. Based on that, we are doing the HIRA, the hazard identification and risk analysis for that method of statement for work. Actually, this is happening for work specific. So this comes into picture, and based on the risk analysis, we are taking the preventive action so that zero harm culture should be ensured at any cost in any case.
And how do you ensure that let's follow that safety rule that you already made? How do you ensure that?
Yeah, for that, sir, we are always deputing one responsible safety engineer
Okay.
for each and every sites, and his role and responsibility is defined to take care of the all person up to the down level of the worker, so that no safety norms can be violated. Every PPE should be followed, every equipment should be inspected time to time, and there is no
Violation
of safe rules should happen.
And how do you inculcate that safety in the mindset of every person working for your company?
Yeah, for that, sir, we are always encouraging them. We are sharing our if any incident happens at another site, then we are sharing those stories to them.
Okay.
In TBT, during daily TBT toolbox talks in morning, and we are educating them. We are enhancing them to come forward, and they should explain that these works today we are having to do, and for that work today we have to take these precautions. And also still, if some people, some worker is repeating any safety violation, then we are also discussing. We are doing some emotional things. We are discussing. We are asking him to call to their
Okay.
wives or family members, and we are conveying their family members directly.
Because it is very true, because death of a worker, death of that person, the family who associate with that person also suffers.
Yes.
And if you educate them, the repercussion of one accident in their life, the thing will definitely change.
Yes.
And you are talking about a toolbox meeting. Do you perform that meeting every day without
Yeah. Every day, and it should be documented.
documenting?
Yeah, every person who has attended that activity should sign on that paper every day.
And what do you talk on that? Every day?
In TBT, we are toolbox talk. Toolbox talk.
Okay.
In that, we are mainly discussing that suppose there is 4 workers is there in that day. Okay, so 2 workers is assigned for carpentering work, then 2 workers is assigned for excavation work. Then we are asking that, okay, today you have to do this work, and for that what safety you have to take care.
That means in short, that is the planning related to the work they are going to perform.
Yes.
And associated safety to be
In short.
ensured.
Yes.
Okay.
so that zero harm culture can be ensured.
One very different question from our talk. You talked about safety in your management, in your site, in your company, and how do you ensure safety at your home?
Yeah, safety at your home, it matters a lot. Generally, people only think that safety matters at workplace, but not. It's also matters at your home, where you are residing, your at your neighborhood. Everywhere safety always matters. So, for example, I can give you one example that in home we are most of the people are keeping their socket switches in on condition, especially
Yes,
for
yes.
television and AC and all those
Very good.
places. So especially for wherever television is we are keeping, there's some curtain and other or like on TV table some teddy bear and other things toys is getting placed there. And if you are keeping your switch in on condition, then some and it may some short circuit happen, then fire can take place and it will harm.
Yes, basically to fire to happen you need oxygen that is available, flammable material that may be any curtain or toys, whatever, and heat that is usually produced during the short circuit.
Yes.
And with presence of all three things, no one can stop fire.
Yes, yes.
And we have to avoid that thing. And Shrikantji, thank you very much for sharing your views on the safety culture you are maintaining in your company Siemens. And at the same time, you are maintaining the same thing. You are talking about safety at your home. It's a good thing to learn. Thank you. Thank you. very
Thank
much.
you so much, sir. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Rajesh, sir. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.